If you've ever removed an engine or lifted an awkward off-centre load, you'll appreciate the difficulty in getting the load to sit level. This increases labour costs and can lead to damage or personal injury. We have the solution. The Sealey LS500 Load Sling Adjuster. This excellent device is suitable for cars, vans, trucks and small marine engines. Simply attach the 4 chains to the engine, then lift the load a little to check its level. If it's not, adjust the carriage towards the end of the beam which was low. You can also tilt an engine to help ease it into a tight engine bay. Then you're ready to lower the load, safely and securely. This excellent device is suitable for use with all cranes and has a capacity of 500 kilograms. The LS500, making light work of an awkward task.